Chapter 6. Staying Safe. Neha and her classmates are in a traffic training park. The teacher tells her why traffic rules are important. We must follow the traffic rules to keep ourselves and others safe. If we are not careful, someone might get hurt. We will learn about traffic rules in detail in this lesson. Let's start. Accidents are unforeseen mishappenings that can be taken place when we are careless. People can get hurt. We need to be careful to avoid accidents. We should follow safety rules at various places. What are safety rules? Keeping away from any situation that would harm us can be defined as safety. We visit various places every day. While doing so, we must keep specific measures in mind that would keep us away from trouble or accidents. Safety rules. How to be safe at home? The safety rules we must follow in our homes are mentioned below. Keep away from sharp objects like knife, blades, nail cutters, etc. Do not touch electric sockets barehanded. Stay out of the kitchen and never try to use stoves when you are alone at home. Do not walk on wet floors. You may slip and hurt yourself. Do not lean outside windows or balconies. Never play with a matchstick. Safety on the road. Always keep close to the elders on the road. Do not put your head or any other part of your body out of a moving vehicle. Use a zebra crossing to cross the road. Look to your right, then to your left and then again to your right. Use subways wherever available to cross busy roads. Always keep to your left while riding a bicycle. Always indicate with your hand before taking a turn. Always walk on the pavement or on the safe side of the road. Do not get into or get off a moving vehicle. Do not run across or play on the road. Safety rules at school. Never rush to enter or come out of the premise. Do not stand on desks or chairs. Never indulge in quarrels. Do not get into or off a moving bus. Always stand in a queue and wait for your turn. Never push others while waiting in queue. Safety while playing in parks and playgrounds. Play carefully on swings. Do not push anyone. Do not throw stones here and there. Wear shoes or slippers while going to the playgrounds. While skating and cycling, wear helmets and knee pads. Do not touch unidentified objects or luggage. First aid box. A first aid box is made by keeping all the necessary things together, which can be used for giving immediate help to an injured person. It comprises of the following things: cotton and bandage, a pair of scissors, antiseptic lotion like Dettol and Savlon, antiseptic cream, thermometer, pain relief spray or ointment. We should follow the given first aid tips in such a situation. Stay calm. Do not panic. Use an antiseptic lotion to clean a small cut or a light wound. Then apply antiseptic cream. Tie a bandage or a clean cloth loosely over the wound if bleeding doesn't stop. Keep the wounded part of the body raised. Make the person lie down or sit in a relaxed position.